that if you want to go fast, anywhere, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. This is what we are doing. There are some who have dubbed what we are doing through the G20 summit by holding a number of other G meetings, which I'll speak about in a little while, that we are having a G100, a G1000, and that is true. We are having a G1,000,000 because we are about inclusiveness, bringing people together, and this summit is possibly the best of all the G summits that we are going to have. So I want to applaud you. I want to thank you all for being here, and I want to thank you for your contributions, which I hear have ended up with a beautiful declaration. Beautiful things are happening in South Africa.